Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
A couple more days where we use a visual satellite here before we have to put it to bed as we're losing our sun angle and certainly our longer days. But it does show you what's happening outside. Lots of thick marine cloud cover just kind of hanging offshore. Now, that was there early this morning along the coast. It has been since eaten away or sort of backed off as we've seen a bit of an offshore wind most of the afternoon. But let's go outside and show you what we've got. Taking a wider snapshot, not much happening out there. Up and down the I-5 and even along the coast, we're under mostly clear skies. We've got some higher wispy clouds out there as well. And again, some of the marine layer just kind of popping up along the north coast around Astoria, where they sat under cloudy skies most of the early afternoon. Meanwhile, inland, though, that has not been the case. You see a little cloud deck drifting up from the upper level, though, now moving into Northern California. And that's about all it's doing as well. Not a very strong system, and that's the only one that we've really had our bullseye on for the better half of about a week and a half to almost 2 weeks now. It's been very dry, very sunny for this time of year. As we've been saying, it's all going to come crashing down as we get to the weekend. I'll show you in a second. 69 right now in Corvallis and Eugene. Comfortable 67 in Cottage Grove. 71 as you get towards Roseburg. Mid-50s out at the coast with a northwesterly winds. 57 on top of Willamette Pass. Around 65 as you get towards Bend and Lapine at 64. So overnight tonight, we'll keep a little bit of cloud cover around. Again, maybe an hour or two here in the valley. And that's about it. So we should get those temperatures back down into the upper 30s again for overnight into tomorrow. And then, as you see, the clouds will be back. That'll hold things in the 40s along the coast. So let's break it all down as we go in towards the next couple of days. We're counting down those sunny days. It should be nice through Thursday. That'll be our transition day where we'll see some of the high clouds move in from the storms. First wave of rains coming in on Friday. The morning for the coast, late afternoon for everybody inland, and then it's going to be wet on and off most of the weekend and early next week, too. So there's our upper level low producing a bit of an offshore flow. Meanwhile, we've got the winds above the surface starting to move back onshore, and that's pushing the jet stream back. But this is what's waiting in the wings. A real good-looking storm starting to get cranked up. There's going to be a lot of different waves that will come firing off of that as this continues to drift northward and eventually get swept up with the jet stream. There's lots of juice with it, which means we've got a potential to see a good significant amount of rain, which we haven't seen since about last spring. So overnight into early tomorrow, we'll see the patchy morning cloud cover should back off to the beaches by the afternoon. Same thing again on Thursday. I think we'll catch some more of those high cirrus clouds kind of filtering the sunshine by late afternoon. And then Friday, that's when the wet stuff starts. And we'll, again, fine-tune the immediate details on that. But just know it is likely going to be pretty wet at times throughout the weekend. So we'll go partly sunny again for the coast tomorrow. 60 down towards Coos Bay, North Bend, 50s as you get up into the central coast. Scattered showers by Friday early afternoon, and then scattered chances and rain coming late Sunday into Monday as the strongest of the three waves coming at us move through. Temperatures in the low 70s, sunny and mild in the Umpqua. Will be in the mid-60s by Friday and into the mid-60s, but wet, with scattered showers on and off Saturday and Sunday. Cascades, sunny skies there. Temperatures in the low 60s, low 70s in Sunny and Bend and Redmond. And we'll see a slight chance for a couple of showers coming through, well needed for the extreme fire conditions in Central Oregon by the weekend. And here in the valley, around 70 to 71 tomorrow and Thursday, mid 60s on Friday, and 64 if the one wave's a little stronger than it looks like. That may be generous. In Saturday afternoon's high, we could be talking 60 to 61 degrees. We'll see.
So that jacket, at least, some kind of protection might be
I'm talking
needed.
Crack out the jackets, the sweaters, the jeans, and certainly the umbrellas this weekend.
Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.